In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Adobe Illustrator to factory defaults. If Illustrator has been acting sluggish, tools aren't behaving as expected, or panels keep disappearing, a quick preferences reset can often clear things up. It's safe, fast, and only affects settings. Your documents and projects will remain untouched. First, make sure Illustrator is completely closed. Don't just minimize it. Quit the application so it isn't running in the background. On any system, the safest approach is to close all open Illustrator windows and confirm the app has fully exited before moving on. Now, you'll relaunch Illustrator while holding a special set of keys. On Windows, press and hold Control, Alt, and Shift. On a Mac, press and hold Command, Option, and Shift. The timing matters here. Start holding those keys immediately after you click the Illustrator icon to launch the app, and keep them held down until you see a prompt. If the prompt doesn't appear, it usually means the keys weren't captured early enough. Close Illustrator and try again, making sure you're holding them before the application finishes starting up. You should see a message asking if you want to delete settings or preferences. Choose yes. This confirms that Illustrator will remove your current preference files and start fresh. Again, this does not delete your artwork, fonts, or files. It only resets the application's internal settings. When Illustrator opens, it will look and feel like a clean install. Panels will be back to their default positions, tool settings will be reset, and preferences like interface layout, performance options, and workspace customizations will return to the factory state. This fresh baseline is helpful for troubleshooting odd glitches, crashes, or UI inconsistencies that can creep in over time. A quick note: if you previously customized workspaces, keyboard shortcuts, color settings, or brushes, you'll need to set those up again. Many users like to take screenshots of their favorite panel layouts or make a note of key preference changes so they can quickly restore them after a reset. That's optional, but it can save time. From here, test the features that were giving you trouble. If everything is back to normal, you can start personalizing your setup again, adjust your preferences, arrange panels, and save a new workspace once you're satisfied. That's all it takes to reset Illustrator to its factory defaults. It's a simple, reliable fix that often restores stability and performance with just a few key presses.